Alright, so now got this light, this light, the one over here by the system, by the inverter and everything, and then this light. All attached to this 100-watt system. The bus bar is there. I have 2 circuits right now, 2 lights each, and it's working great. All 4 of them on at the same time are fine also, and yeah, it's just this one lead acid battery I have, which is also running our greenhouse fan, small fan in the greenhouse, and the batteries are fully topped off like right away in the morning, because I come down here at night and use the lights a little bit while there's no sun coming in, so then right when we start getting some solar, it's like fully charged, so it's barely using any power. So yeah, it's pretty sweet to have a few lights here just coming on when we need them, and then they turn off automatically, so it's really convenient.